What up aking mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon manonood tayo nitong ng mga updates ulit sa SB19. Halo-halo to, iba't ibang channel ang papanoorin natin, no? So ito, tingin tayo, no? And para sa inyo na rin to, no? Sa mga fans talaga ng SB19. At syempre, may isa tayong papanoorin, which is yung mga updates ngayon sa ating P-pop group, no? P-pop community, no? Kaya malaman natin yan sa video to, no? Sa papanoorin nyo and panoorin natin, no? So ayoko nang patagalin pa, so without further ado, let's all watch this.
Love you all so much. Oh, Ivan!
SB19 shows love to Chinese fans with latest Douyin video plus Gento. With SB19 going viral in China with more and more doing the Gento dance challenge, from actors and actresses to idol group members and netizens, here is SB19 showing their love and appreciation to Chinese fans and viewers via Sony Music International Douyin account.
Ni hao China, we are SB19.
We are so happy that you like our song Gento.
Keep streaming it and we'd love to see more of the content you create around the song.
We hope to see you in China very soon.
We love you all so much. Oh, Ivan! Thank you!
Gento! 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 Makumpleto para Gento! Gento! Unang nakakita lang ng Gento! Gento! Kahit na wala pang hinto! Saan ko bawal bitaw ko? Mismo! Eto kaya mo? Basta makakakita ng
Gento!
Ni hao China, we are SB19.
We are so happy that you like our song Gento.
Keep streaming it and we'd love to see more of the content.
So, ayun na siya, no? Nakakatuwa lang, no? Siyempre kasi yung reach ngayon ng SB19 is nakakaabot na sa ibang lugar talaga. And eto, sobrang tumatak sa Chinese fans ang SB19 talaga. Lalo yung Gento, no? So, this is a milestone, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti na per country or baka nga per continent talaga nagdo-dominate talaga ang SB19, no? So, nakakatuwa lang kasi na-appreciate ng ibang lahi talaga yung kung ano yung talento na ipinapakita. Even though na alam nyo naman, yung lyrics ng Gento is more on talaga Filipino language talaga siya, no? Kaya sobrang nakaka-amaze siya, no? Na-appreciate ng mga ibang lahi, no? And syempre, isa sa nagpatatak talaga dun is yung sayaw talaga, no? Pero hindi mo maitatanggi, sobrang catchy talaga ng Gento, kaya sobrang grabe and sobrang solid talaga nangyari, no? So ito pa, nood ba tayo?
SB19 officially recognized their fans from China.
Ito kay Pipa Price. Yung kanina kay Miss O yun.
In a TikTok post uploaded by Sony Music International, the P-pop kings appreciate their fans in China and encourage them to create more awesome content using Gento.
Keep streaming it and we'd love to see more of the content you create around the song.
SB19 Gento is slowly making good attention in Chinese TikTok or Douyin. In fact, over 9,000 users have already joined the movement with a total of million of views.
We hope to see you in China very soon.
We love you all so much. Oh, Ivan! Thank you!
SB19 definitely made it to the Chinese market, a one way of saying that SB19 is slowly achieving their dream of promoting P-pop globally. And Douyin users are also happy and impressed with SB19 Gento.
Douyin yung tawag nila sa TikTok, no? Ewan ko lang, correct me if I'm wrong lang, ha?
Ni hao China, we are SB19.
We are so happy that you like.
Ivan!
So, ayun, no? Nakakatuwa lang kasi isipin nyo, no, na ayun nga, so sinabi ko kanina is yung iba't ibang lahi talaga nakakilala sa SB19, no? And actually, maniwala kayo sa akin, may time na ang SB19 kukunin to ng China, magigas to sa China, tapos ano to, magiging isa to sa mga nakakabilib na pangyayari sa SB19, no? Kasi ewan ko lang kung meron ng pop group or P-pop group na nag-perform sa China or what na. Pero I think this will be amazing talaga as in, no? Lalo ng SB19, yung dominate na lang ang bawat bansa, bawat country, bawat continents, lahat, bawat buong mundo talaga, malapit na yan, no? And tuloy-tuloy lang SB19 sa paggawa ng mga amazing contents, gawa ng mga amazing videos, amazing songs, amazing dance talaga as in, no? Talagang maniwala kayo sa akin, hindi imposibleng world domination talaga as in, no? Ma-reach na yung level na kailan na sa buong mundo talaga as in, kahit saan sila magpunta, yung tipong yung mga ibang bansa na mag-i-invite sa kanila na mag-perform dito, gumawa ng concert, no? And kaya nilang punuin yung mga stadium like yung Staples Center sa Los Angeles, no? Kaya nila yun, no? Ang daming mga doon, mga stadium doon sa ibang bansa as in, no? Napakarami, no? Kaya paniwala kayo sa akin, kaya ng SB19 yan, no? And ito rin yung way ng SB19 para makilala ang talento ng mga Pinoy talaga as in, no? Para sa akin, napakaganda ng ginagawa. Meron pa tayo isang papanoorin, yung parang updates yata sa P-pop community.
G22 recently faced a major problem when Bianca Foro decided to leave the group due to personal and family reasons. On September 15th, Cornerstone Entertainment released a statement that Bianca will be no longer a member of G22. As per the management, Bianca will still be under Cornerstone Entertainment, while G22 will continue with AJ, Jazz, and Althea as a free-member girl group. Yup.
Damn! Sobrang, shoutout Yara, no? Sobrang solid ng G22 as in, lalo na si Bianca, no? Si Bianca siya yung gumagawa ng mga sobrang mga athletic moves, no? Yung split niya, gumagawa yung split na ginagawa niya, no? Sayang lang, no? Pero syempre, we must respect her decision, no? Kasi it's up to her naman kung ba't ganyan nangyari. And syempre, in-explain niya, meron sobrang valid reason yan kaya nangyari yan, okay? Pero sayang lang, nakakahinayang lang kasi kung nagtuloy-tuloy ang G22, maniwala kayo sa akin, malayong mararating na itong mga batang to. Kasi grabe talaga sila mag-perform, buwis-buhay talaga as in, no? Napakagaling talaga nila. Sayang lang, no? Pero wala tayong magagawa. Decision nila yan ng management nila yan. And syempre, tingin ko gagawa sila ng hakbang patungo sa kung ano man ang mararating nila, no? So, shoutout G22.
And Althea as a free-member girl group. Yara is already
Yara!
preparing for their upcoming
Let's go, Yara! Let's go, my man! Jaldu, let's go!
comeback, which will be released this coming September 22nd. Concept photos are already out, and you might be already familiar with their comeback. The title of their upcoming song is Bucket Papa.
Bakit Papa? Is this a sex bomb dancer feels?
Some of you might be already familiar with. And also on September 22nd, new Filipino pop group will release their prologue single. This new all-Filipino group is called New ID. They are under a Korean company.
New ID na gawa ko na reaction video, I think nagawa ko siya reaction video yung sa concert ng Horizon, no? Panoorin niyo na lang 'yun.
MLD Entertainment. And if they look familiar, well, that's because the members are also participants from the
Dreammaker.
recent global pop group Search Dreammaker, where Horizon was formed. So pretty sure this boys also have the skills, and definitely worth your support. And speaking of comeback,
Beanie,
Nation's girl
September
group,
22.
Beanie is also setting up their comeback on the same date, September 22nd.
Maraming ganap
The
sa
girl
September
group just
22.
released their music video teaser last day, and based on the sound of it, looks like they will give us another masterpiece. We are all excited for that. SB19 will once again represent Philippines on this coming ASEAN Korea Music Festival, or Round Festival 2023.
Sila rin yung last year, 'di ba? Or last year, no?
Will be held in Jakarta, Indonesia from October 21st to 22nd. But if you want to catch the P-Pop Kings together with other huge ASEAN artists, the boys are set to perform on October 21st. SB19 is no longer new in Round Festival. In fact, the global P-Pop group already represent Philippines on last year's Round Festival.
Last year nga.
More happenings in P-Pop world coming up soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
So ayun na siya, no. So napaka-solid lang talaga, no. Isipin niyo naman na napakarami nangyayari sa ngayon sa ating P-pop community, no. Tapos grabe, ang sobrang daming turn of events. Nakakalungkot lang yung nangyari sa G22 si Bianca, no. Pero ganun din naman yung nangyari sa Alamat, no. Dalawang members yung nawala sa kanila kaya nakakalungkot din, no. Pero ano yan, ganun talaga nangyayari pag mga personal reasons talaga, no. So wala tayong magagawa dyan. Ang solid lang talaga yung Beanie, no. 8 pa rin sila, no. Talagang ang dami nila pero hindi sila nagkakaanuhan lang, nagkakataluhan talaga as in, no? Talagang group pa rin sila, no. And meron nga akong isang natuwa ako nun, yung sinabi ni pinanood ni Mika yung yung video ko, nag-react siya sa reaction video ko, na pinanood niya yung sa yun, sa Kumu Live niya yun, eh. And then may nag-send sa akin na isang panoorin ko araw. And natuwa ako dun kasi may sinabi ako na nag-chant sila na B-I-N-I, Beanie, yun kasi yung chant nila, eh. Sabi ko doon sa isang comment ko, sabi ko, paano pag halimbawa kulang na sila, makukumpleto pa rin kaya yung B-I-N-I? Kasi isa-isa yun, eh. Kunyari si Mika, isa-isa. Kunyari ito, yan. B-I-N-I. Tapos sunod naman yung 4, B-I-N-I. Tapos sigaw ng Beanie. No? Paano kung kulang na sila pag naging 6 na sila or 5? No? Paano kaya nila gagawin yung chant na yun? Pang 8 yun, sakto, yung B-I-N-I, B-N-A-N-I. No? Ang sinabi ni Mika, sabi niya, hindi kami maghihiwalay. So, nabasag ako doon, no? As in, no? Parang sinampal ako sa mukha ni Mika. Let's go, no? And, syempre, Yara, let's go. Napaka-solid niya, no? And yan, if you all know si Jalou, si Jalou is very very good friend of Stella of SB19, no? Kaya I'm rooting for her talaga. And syempre sa buong Yara, no? And syempre si Jalou, no? He's a very very close friend of mine, no? Let's go Jalou, let's go Yara, let's go my man. Kaya mo yan, and tuloy-tuloy lang Yara, walang susuko. Alam ko napakaganda. Abangan ko yan, maniwala kayo sa akin, abangan ko yan September 22. yung comeback nyo. Bakit Papa? Kailangan mag-8-8 ka rin, men. Let's go. So, ayun, yun lang yung mga updates natin regarding dito. Na, syempre sa SB19, congratulations sa SB19 sa ating P-Pop Kings. No? Make us proud again. Make us proud again sa this coming na performance nyo sa Round Festival. No? So, ayun, kung meron ka pa comment na bell message nyo sa Facebook page na Point to Fed. So, this me Point to Fed signing out. Peace, G!